Let's find out if this tool is even worth having. This is Estelle, and in this video, I'm going to break down what this is, how it's used, and if it's worth having, all from the expertise of a medical massage therapist. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Mm-hmm. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? Neck pain is so prevalent in this day and age that there are hundreds of self-care tools, all promising to end your pain. To use this tool, the balls here go on either side of your neck and you hold the handles like so. Then you simply bring your hands closer together to get the squeezing effect for the back of your neck. And that's it. It isn't fancy, but it is super affordable. If you're on a budget and have tension here, this tool can help. It isn't going to blow your mind and revolutionize your neck care, but it can help manage that tension in between massage sessions. If your skin is dry, you will need a little lotion. Also, and I cannot stress this enough, avoid the spine. Yes, work next to the spine, but not on the spine. I give it no thumbs up or down. You get what you get. If there's a product you want me to review next, leave it in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.